Welcome back to table 49. Today we're doing a takeaway Tuesday and we're doing tortillas. I don't know if I should say it like that, but we're doing tortillas. Tortillas. Let's do it. This is maize flour, corn flour. So compared to like corn grits, this is actually ground into a finer consistency. So you're not gonna be using cornmeal, this is an actual flour. You can get this at a lot of grocery stores. Superstore has such a good international selection if you're in a backwater country town like myself. Okay, so we're taking 2 cups of this into a bowl. This is super affordable. You keep this flour in your fridge in a Ziploc bag or airtight bag, it's gonna last for ages. This is so much cheaper than buying all of your stuff. Okay, to the 2 cups of flour, we are adding, what are we adding? 1.5 cups of water. And we're gonna slowly incorporate that. Just until a dough forms. And that's it. That's all the ingredients you need. Don't you love it? This flour is really absorbent, so take your time. It's like a paper towel. Okay. This is where Jordan's gonna speed it up. Seriously, it's like hollow, but it's not. There's your dough. If you ever get lost, there's a recipe on the back of the bag. We've got our dough. It's awesome. This is the texture you want. Come here. Squishing. Nice. Actually, it's so much like Play-Doh, it scares me. We're dividing this into 19 balls. 19 balls.
Ready.
We've got 19 balls. What you're gonna do until you're ready to use them, or as you use them, cover them with a damp cloth. And we have our tortilla press ready here. You can find these on, well, I know Lake House Home Store has them in Kelowna, Amazon as well. But you cover it with a Ziploc bag that's been cut the sides like this. You can also use parchment paper. I find this works better to get it off. So you do that, boop. This is where it gets really difficult. You take a ball. We've got a pan on medium-high heat, ready for us. Put the ball in the middle. Cover it up. Oh, make sure it stays. Ta-da. It's a good workout. Voila!
What?
Tortilla! Jordan's shocked. He's so excited.
Amazing.
From here, we're going to the pan. This is, do you see a Swiss diamond pan? Buy it. I've had this for 8 years. It's made of diamonds. It actually has diamonds in it. Diamonds. Okay, so just cook these though until they're like, I'd say like a minute on each side. But I'll let you know. See this one? This is what you want. This one. This kind of texture. You can rub your nail on it and it's not crushing anything. It's not digging in. Whereas this one isn't done yet. Oh, it's almost done. But you can still feel the dough. And keep these warm. You can get a tortilla warmer or just turn your oven on low. Wrap them in a damp cloth like this one that you're covering it with and just pop them in the oven. It will not set on fire on the warming cycle?
Setting.
Or just put it at the lowest temperature. I don't know what you, live your life, don't start fires. And that's it. You got your tortillas. This is a great option if you're gluten-free and you want an alternative to bread. It's a great option if you're out of bread and you don't want to go to the grocery store looking like that. You can just make these. You can either do a recipe in the next video next week, which is going to be huevos rancheros, or just make these, run out the door, you've got a quick snack. They're paleo, they're healthy, they're delicious. See you next week for Takeaway Tuesday.